Hello all. In this video, I will give you a very useful Excel file. This Excel file will help you to import all the attribute values from the selected drawings. Okay, so here I have attribute values which I have selected the drawings, and for example here in this drawing I have a block which is having many attributes. So all this information I can import to that Excel, and I can modify whatever I need to change for the multiple drawings. Then I can export back from this Excel file just clicking on this button. Before that I will show you how to import. Okay, so I need to clear all this data, so just click clear data. Yes, and I will show you the drawings. So I have some drawings here, so I will import all the attribute values to this drawing. So here I have just provided the block name, which is exactly this name. So here you can see title block attribute, the block name. So this I need to copy here. Okay, and just click on import attributes. Then I can select all the drawings, click OK. So can you see everything is importing? Okay, completed. So all imported, and these values already empty on uh, here in the CAD. So here empty value, that's why it's empty. Anyhow, you can type it on Excel and import back for all the drawings. Also you can notice one error here. See here error, which is open failed, because we opened this file already. So before importing the attributes, you must close all the open drawings. So I will close this one, and I will clear the data, import attributes, then select OK. It's imported everything. So for example, here we have 1:250. So if I want to change 1:500, I could just type and copy paste everywhere. And here instead of Mr. X, I could put maybe test. I'll copy everywhere, and here I will make SP, just copy paste, and A1 I will make this A3. Okay, so drainage layout I will change this road layout. Okay, you can do many kind of things in here in Excel by using formula. You can concatenate different values, but you shouldn't change anything here in this title header, which is exactly coming from the selected block from AutoCAD. And don't change anything here in this path. This is exactly the where the drawing is saved, drawing path. So don't touch here. And of course this handle, which is unique code for the selected block. So don't change this one. So don't change anything column A, B, and row number 2. Okay, so we change here road layout instead of drainage layout, and scale change to 1:500. Before that, just check how it is before one of the drawings. So we didn't change it, so just check the safe and Mr. X and drainage layout, and this we change to A3, the size. Okay, for approval we can change something else. Then we will run the program and test. Okay, so for approval we'll change for in information. Here revision. Okay, keep it as it is. Okay, now just click export attributes. Okay, it is exporting. Once it completed, we will get the notification. See, export completed, updated 442 attributes. Okay, so just open one of the drawing. Make sure you didn't open any drawing before exporting or importing. You can even close AutoCAD or Civil 3D completely. It's not a problem. Okay, we open one of the drawing and see it's changed road layout, and also it's changed to test and SPA3, and this changed to for information. So whatever we giving on the Excel, it's updating here exactly. Before using this file, I have provided this Excel file link on this video description, but once you download it, you need to do some things to work this properly. So I will show you that. You can click on the link below in this video description and you will come to here. Then just click on download. After downloading, you need to do something. Okay, it is downloaded here. So before opening this first time, you need to just click right button and go to properties, and here you need to make sure this unblock is ticked. Okay, click unblock, apply, okay, then open. Without doing this one, this will not work. So make sure you click on unblock and apply OK. Then after opening, just click here enable content. Now you are able to import attributes. So just check it out. Select the drawings, click OK. See, it's importing. One is failed because I opened the file. Okay, clear, import again to make sure it's working. Okay, import completed. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please click like button, and also if you have any ideas about this to improve, just comment down in this video.